warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, meet me again. I'm Jannah. I'm a chemistry student from the Faculty of Science and Technology at UIN Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. And here I will convey a resume about our Earth 1 and industrial wastewater treatment plants. Our Earth is one. Water doesn't go anywhere according to the law of conservation of mass. Water has existed on Earth since time immemorial. The water we feel today is inherited water. So we have to think about the quality from generation to generation that is getting down. Waste treatment can be one way to maintain water quality. Then, water treatment process. In first, the treatment process can be done by pumping air into the water, which is not simple because it changes the organic and inorganic components. For inorganic can turn into oxides and organic can decompose into microbes. The result of the first stage of screening are in the form of large and coarse waste such as doll, dentaries, and jewelry. If there is no filtering, then there is a blockage in the pipe. And then balance tanks. Uniformity tank and equalization tank are almost the same as this. Uniforming tub as a container to balance its position and volume so that treatment can be carried out evenly. Then always aerate so that it can come into contact with the air. And furthermore, given microbes that can break down organic solids and reducing nutrient level. Using microbes because it is cheaper and does not require a lot of energy. If using microbes, the waste is not too heavy to be treated by microbes such as organic compounds. Then treatment with a clarifier waste tub is stirred so that the precipitate is easily produced. Then these deposits are dried so as not to rot. After the sediment, it produces water that is clear and drained. Then given a disinfectant and tested. Giving disinfectant at the end so that the microbes don't die and want to walk. And then industrial wastewater treatment plant. Waste is polluted water, so it should not be disposed of immediately but must be treated first. Waste treatment is not mixed because it has different characteristics. So, the way of processing is also different. Next slide. Stage of wastewater treatment with WWTP. In the first, inlet. Inlet is the process of entering water. Processing is different for each type. And 2. Filtering. Filtering for large waste so as not to interfere with the next process, usually solid waste. 3. Pool-off equalization. Pool-off equalization accommodates excess waste in order to be uniform when processed. Waste must be accommodated first. Waste composition is not always the same every time, because from morning until noon, the food expenditure will be different, so that later the same then accommodate first. 4. Pull to equalize. To homogenize the liquid wastewater that has a high temperature due to the heating process during processing. 5. Cooling pool. Cooling pool to cool the treated effluent in a few minutes. 6. Biological aeration pool. Aeration is contacting waste liquid with oxygen so that it is easily decomposed. This aeration also utilizes sunlight to help the degradation process. Simplified organic and inorganic waste. For those dissolved organic compounds in wastewater, it needs to be decomposed by aerobic microbes. Aerobic microbes are microbes that require oxygen. Nutrients are added to biological aeration pools. For what? For regular maintenance. And 7. Clarifier. Clarifier for water purification, separating sediment and water. The sludge in this process can be used because there are microbes that can be utilized. In the clarifier, it will be difficult to separate, but after it is explained using an aerator, usually the aeration pool will be foamy and turbulent because there is air pumped into the aeration pool with an aerator. Furthermore, the liquid and solid are separated. The tool below is like a cone shaped as a container for a collection of mud. This mud can be reused because it is a microbial seed because the expect microbe is one that can degrade quite high. 8. Precipitation. Precipitation will be more deposit between solid and liquid. 9. Sand filter. Sand filter, there are bad ion absorption and replacement even. Conditions that have entered the sand filter must be clear because if the conditions are cloudy, the sand filter is not very effective. Then number 10, diligence and control are large pond with tilapia indicator. Is the water good or not if it is used by tilapia? 11. Water meter. For water analysis, whether the character is suitable for use or discarded. And the last, audit is the process of removing water after processing. As the snippet explained that water pollution occurs when hazardous and toxic waste enters water bodies such as river, ponds, seas, ocean, and so on, which are dissolved in it, suspended in water, resulting in a decrease in water quality. This harms aquatic ecosystem and can reach groundwater, which may end up in our homes as polluted water that we use in our daily activities, including drinking. Then, cause of natural activities such as volcanic eruption, animal waste, algae growth, and residue from storms and floods. Not only that, another factor is oil spills, fossil fuels, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides used by farmers. This is what causes hepatitis can be fatal. There is always an outbreak of cholera and other infections. Because water pollution is kill organisms that depend on water bodies, like fish, crabs, birds, dolphins, and many other animals. Thank you for watching my lesson. Sorry if there are mistakes in the pronunciation because I'm still learning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching my lesson. Sorry if there are mistakes in the pronunciation because I'm still learning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.